Hi guys, welcome to Spray Gunner's video channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deal with a broken nozzle if you happen to have one of these smaller size ones. Show it here. Nozzle types, which on Sparmax airbrush, Iwata have the custom here, rich pen. This guy is Chinese, so it's a copy of, I would say, all three of those, or a GSI, the Mr. Hobby, the Kanza airbrush, on which I'm going to show you how to deal with the problem. So when you put the nozzle back in after cleaning or just changing, you start with the fingers because the only tool you got in the set is one of these little keys, and you use it to screw it back in. And I'm really excited because I love breaking things. So you screw it back, you feel like, hey, you need to tighten it up a little bit more, and you tighten it, and it's gone. No, it's not gone. Not yet. I'm not so good at breaking things yet. Now we got it. So, as you can see, there is a part of it still inside the airbrush body and part of the nozzle right here. When I started airbrush, that was my favorite thing. Actually, when I saw this on my Iwata, I think I had the Eclipse back then, I probably threw away this airbrush because it wasn't fixable. No, it wasn't fixable, it was Revolution, I guess, because on Eclipse you have a separate part for a nozzle base. But anyway, this tool included in the kit, which is a PS991 by Mr. Hobby, GSI Cross. And there's a few useful tools actually here. Towel to take away sweat when you do this, because it takes a little attention and precision. The brush is pretty good for cleaning. This is for basically lubricating airbrush, making it feel new each time. And this little orange, I don't know how to say it, cylinder, which is not really good visible on the box. In the box, it has one end with this kind of I don't know, drill bit, but it's not exactly something between a screw and a drill bit. And this tool goes inside there. You just screw it in. Not too far, but enough to feel that it's inside the nozzle there. Strangely, in my case, instead of pulling it out, I just pushed it in all the way, and probably should come out from the back side now. Help with a needle. So one way or another we just got this thing out, and it came out with some paint on it, which probably my bad for not cleaning it enough, but that's what it's tool for. So normally you would pull it from the front, but for some reason it went back, but still it came out, so the tool worked as it should. And now I'm just putting this head back on its place, and I'm taking a new nozzle, and instead of using this not really comfortable tool, I would turn the back side of the same tool I just used. Let me focus the camera here. I can see there's a path here for a nozzle to go in, and I put the nozzle in there first, so now it holds there nice and tight. Is it focus? Okay, now it's good. And it's much easier to come back and place it right where it should be without over tightening, because you can easily feel with the fingers when it's right enough. And it's really hard, to over tighten it and break it using this tool, just because it's not the same angle. That's it. That's how this tool works. And once again, this is the maintenance set by Mr. Airbrush PS991, available here at Spray Gunner. Let me have a closer look on the part number. Okay, hope was helpful. Thank you very much. Have a good day.